This is how you can send multiple PDF files as one attachment in Gmail. But when you go to attach your files and select them, you will see that each file is going to be attached alone. But in your case, you want to combine them into one PDF or into one file or into one attachment. To do that, let's go and cancel the upload. Then open a new tab and search for PDF Combiner. Click enter. You will go to Google and then click on the first website, combinepdf.com, and then into this tab, Combine PDF, upload your files right here. Click here, upload the files that you want to combine. Click open. Wait a little bit for the files to upload, and then you can play around which file you want to go first. For my case, I will go like this. Click on combine, and the download it will get started. Go back to your email, click on the attached, and right here you can change the file name if you want. Let's go like this with this name, then click on open, and that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.